Is your company struggling with getting home service leads? Well, with Amplafide, we have a proven process with our new CRM. It's AI-based, and it helps HVAC companies, plumbing companies, and electrical companies run their business, get more leads, handle marketing, and schedule, dispatch, run your systems and operations, find a better proven process to run your company. If you use Amplafide, your business is going to be 10 times bigger, scale faster, and find a better way to run. Go ahead and get a free 30-day demo at amplafide.com and see why we're the #1 HVAC, plumbing, and CRM system today.